What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Let me quickly check if everything is recording right. Yeah. Good morning. And in this video, and kind of what we do daily now, I wanted to take a look at Bitcoin. It's down under 30k again, and it hasn't really moved a lot. 2.4% down. Well, yeah, that's a bearish day, but not that much. I'd rather call it neutral, or even less, 2% now. It's still around that 30k level, and in this video I actually wanted to discuss some interesting things I found, because I first of all found that the main key level I was using around 30k wasn't really doing it anymore. That was still from last year in the summer, that key level, and most of the times those major key levels, because I only use like the major ones, they tend to hold, but this year not so much. And what I saw with Bitcoin, and usually I don't really use these chart patterns, at least not alone, but in this case it really did make some sense, I thought. What we're seeing is this kind of triangle right here going on. Let me quickly turn off the sound, but we got this triangle going on, and basically two things are possible, and I think they actually align with what I think. We can either like hold this trend line right here, which has already four touches. And most of the times that fifth one is make it or break it. So usually it breaks, but still we have that possibility to, within the next day or something. First of all, we would need to stay at least, or we would need to get above 30k within the next, let's say, 45 minutes, I'd say. Or it's possible within the next 4 and 45 minutes. If we stay around this level and the next candle actually gets above 30k, arguably we're still holding the trend line, because you can also draw it a little bit like this to give us some more breathing room. But if we do that, and if we actually break above 31,000, then I think we can instantly get up to this level here at 32 and 33,000. And as of right now, I do think that will be kind of like a local top for a few days, meaning that we'll reject off of that quite hard. But still, that would be a great thing to have, I think. Would definitely also show the strength in the crypto market and in Bitcoin, which I think is still there, and I think you can all agree with me. So that's a very interesting thing to take a look at and to take into consideration. I'm not saying that it will happen, but as soon as we break 31,000, then we have broken, first of all, this fib right here, this 382 fib, which is pretty strong. Apart from that, we have also broken the 50 EMA and this minor trend line. So it also has some technical backing. And then this level around 33,000, more specifically 32,500, that has a lot of confluences as well. So I don't think we'll break that, but still would be a great move. The other scenario, frankly, is that we'll break below this trend line, which would probably cause a small breakout down to 28,500, but it could also be, and we talked about that in the last videos as well, that I am expecting another like bearish spike at least up until this level here around 27,500, that level. So if we break down that trend line, I think we're just going to drop down to 28,500, but it could also be that we drop down to this level, but I don't think we'll really break below 28,500. So even if we spike down, I still think we'll break above 28,500 and just continue this consolidation between ultimately, let's say 27,000 and 31,000, and whether you think that's bullish or bearish, that's really up to you. I'd say that's completely neutral, staying that consolidation, but just breaking out of this bottom triangle will definitely cause at least some sort of a bearish breakout. I'm not necessarily sure how big it's going to be. The biggest it could be, I think, is down to 27,000. But then again, who am I? So that would be an 8% loss. That's a pretty big breakout, but I think it's more likely going to be something like this. So around 4%, 3%, 3.5%. So yeah, that's basically my full analysis for now. So if you do have any questions about the analysis or about crypto, Bitcoin in general, please let me know down in the comments. As for now though, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.